While a federal judge has blocked a proposed federal funding freeze, uncertainty remains about what happens next. KMR Local 4's Blas Guerrero has more on the impact it could have with these local organizations.
Local organizations like Opportunity School help provide early childhood education to over 200 children. But with recent proposals to freeze federal funding have created uncertainty across the area.
We first heard that the federal funds would be paused. We had to step back and really think about what the impact would be, not only for Opportunity School, but the children and families that we serve.
Even though the proposed freeze has been blocked by a federal judge, there is still confusion around the situation. The United Way of Amarillo and Canyon is also bracing for the impact of funding cuts.
We won't probably see it immediately, but I think a lot of our program providers, they are such prolific, amazing fundraisers that they look for a lot of state and federal grants. I'm very concerned about what their cash flow is going to look like, depending on how it all goes down.
Services that might be impacted include educational opportunities, refugee community support, and other social services that rely on federal funding. Federal funds help families by providing childhood education and care.
We also have families that receive child care subsidies, but the way that works is that those funds come to the state. They're allocated to local workforce boards, and then the funds are dispersed to providers from our local agencies.
Goodrich encourages the community for support as half of their budget comes from the community. In Amarillo, Blas Guerrero, KMR Local 4 News.
United Way says while the federal freeze has been rescinded, the panic and confusion could cause delays in payments and funding with their program providers.